Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to check out how to customize Digit savings goal names. Alright, so Digit lets you personalize your savings goal by renaming them to match your specific plans, which of course helps to keep your financial priorities clear and organized. To customize your savings goal name, all you got to do is open the Digit app and go to your list of savings goals. Tap the goal that you want to rename and then find the edit or settings options within that goal. Now you're going to enter the new name that best describes your goal, whether it's new laptop funds, vacation to Italy, or emergency funds, whatever it is that is exactly what you intend to do with the money. Use that as the goal name. So savings goal with personalized name is going to help you to stay motivated by making your objective more tangible and easy to track. Remember, clear goal names make it easier to manage multiple savings plans and focus on what matters most to you. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and like for more helpful Digit tutorials, and don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another update in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.